Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. So we are in a natural environment. We want to eat the food we prepare. So this is yam. This sauce is turkey berry and egg sauce. Okay, so this is yam. It's on my YouTube channel how we prepare this sauce. This is turkey berry sauce. It's delicious. So come and join us with this beautiful food. Okay, so Philip, eat. This is yam, 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 yam.
Hey, beautiful people, thank you for joining us. This is our breakfast. Okay, we are having turkey berry egg sauce. Turkey berry in Yoruba is sokope. Mm, very nice. Uh, it's,
Yam.
mm,
Philip is already eat.
they are already eating.
The turkey berry is blood tonic.
Mm, it's it's yes, it's parrot. Let me show you guys what we are eating. Mm. Viewers, this is our turkey berry egg sauce. Okay. This is our yam.
Yummy.
Fish. Fish. Mm. Please like, share, comment. Mm. Eat. It's onions. Mm. It's so yummy. Philip, say thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe.
See you in our next video.
Bye bye.
Please say bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Mwah.